Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Friday, September the 16th. My name is Barry Anerson. I'm the moderator of our trading room. This is the address to get into our free trading room. I do share my screen all day long, and I'm live on the mic between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. If you would like to take out a subscription to Trade Ideas, this is the link you can use, and there will be a promo code there. And if you took everything we have to offer for 1 year, it would work out to about $4 a day. All right, I didn't trade very much today actually, and this was a day. Well, to be honest, I'm still sick, so I was having a tough time focusing a little bit. But this is one that I talked about yesterday in yesterday's trading room, and I said, if it can break 7, I'd be very interested in taking it. This has had a tremendous run over the last a few days, just a great, great run, and there's really no resistance. I don't know if this is a new high, lifetime high for this stock. I haven't gone back far enough, perhaps, but bottom line is, this has just had a great run. But I thought that what, if it can break 7, that it might still give us another a trade. So you see, yesterday it hit a high of 704, right there. It's about 704. In the pre-market, it got up to 717 before it dropped. Then I noticed it open up the when I opened up the room this morning, and I saw it right here, and it's over 7. So I thought, okay, you better take it. And so I ended up taking the trade right here at 717. Put a mark there. And look what it did after that. Now remember, this is a red bar here, but this at one point was green all the way here, really hoping that it would actually break right through 8. Didn't quite do that. I did take some off at 729, 746 on the way up, and on the way down at 777. So that one trade today basically made my day. I really didn't have to trade anymore. I did trade a couple other stocks. iTech took a little loss on, and this one was interesting. This came from our Alpha Predator, not from Holly, but just a simple alert. Again, take a look at the daily, and probably see why I was a little bit interested in this, because first of all, there's the high, a recent high, about 6. Let's see what it was. It was 640 was a recent high. Okay, then you've got this nice void here. Remember, this is $16 stock. You got a potential to fill up to 20. So that definitely attracted me to this stock to watch it. Now the actual alert came right here at 1616. So it was actually quite early. To a 15-minute chart. So it came right here, but notice how it was up and down, up and down. And I just didn't feel comfortable yet taking this. But, in retrospect, I probably should have taken it right there, put a 16 stop on it, and said, okay, let's go. Anyway, I did wait, though. Remember that 1640 right here? That 1640 area was right here. That was that recent high. Well, I don't know how recent, but a few weeks ago. It took that out, and then I wanted to get into it, and it went so fast. Now it rested just a little bit, and I was very fortunate to get some at 1656, and almost immediately it just popped all the way up to 17 or 1699. Maybe it was 17. See if that was actually 17. Yeah, high of 17. And I thought, wow, this is really going to run. But it didn't. I took some out actually on the way up at 1685, and then on the way down, I got out of it almost flat. I held on. I thought, well, maybe it's just going to be a pullback, and then it'll resume. But nonetheless, it was a very, very. This is the bar I got in, and this was a very, very quick and profitable trade. And let's see, I got into CRBP again later on. My swing from yesterday, unfortunately, well, this. I got very, very lucky in something here. NVAX. If you weren't following NVAX today, look at this. Poor people who were in this trade. Now, I was actually swinging this trade for several days, and I got into this trade. Let's see, this is Friday, Thursday. I actually took this trade. It's all skewed because of because of this drop here. It's hard to see, but I was in this trade just around $8, and then on this day, yeah, on this day right here, you see the pop there at beginning. I added some more and I traded it out. Got up to 841, and I traded out. And then as it started coming down, I decided to get rid of everything. And but I saw this yesterday, a little pop up, and then it started to rise again. And I literally was thinking, well, I wonder if I should get back in it as a swing. Well, look what happened. It closed yesterday at 8:33, and in the just as the market was closing, right after that, they released some, I guess, really bad stage three results. And I mean, this just got creamed. 837 all the way down to 125. Now, some in the room actually played this off 117 and got up to 1. I mean, that's a tremendous percentage increase. So more power. I did not do that, but when that happened, I was also in this. Where's my? Did I find that symbol? CMRX, and I had swung this one half of my position from yesterday, CMRX. And I had I was in at 516, I think, and I sold at 526 yesterday, half of it, and then I was swinging it overnight. When that happened, though, I looked at it and said, you know what? I really want to I really want to get out of this because a lot of people might be looking at a lot of these small bios as being so risky, and they are all risky. There's no question they're risky. Anyway, bottom line is I did get out right here, so I still made some money on it. It has now popped back up, but there's no way I'm going to be swinging this one. All right, that's it. Hopefully on Monday I'll feel a lot better, and a nice weekend to rest and recover. Um, I hope everybody has a great weekend. Hopefully, we'll see you in our trading room on Monday. I usually open the room at about between 8:30 and quarter to 9 Eastern Time. And again, this is the link to get in. This is the link for the subscription. And I get live on the mic between 9 and 4 p.m. So thanks a lot for listening, everyone, and have a great weekend. Bye bye.